Class, welcome to VPSC Learning again. I am your English teacher Madhulika Devi. Class, as we have completed our syllabus in language book, we have completed chapter number 1 to 5 and all exercises. Now class, from today we have to start our course book. In course book we have completed chapter number 1. Now today we have to start chapter number 2. Chapter number 2 is This is Going to Hurt a Little Bite. This is a poem written by Auden Nash. So today we will complete first paragraph and then tomorrow we will complete the whole poem. And today you have to write the poem. First 4 paragraphs you have to write in your copy. So watch the video carefully and then learn and write the poem. Yes class. Chapter number 2, poem The Thing is Going to Hurt Just a Little Bite. This poem is written by Auden Nash. Okay, he is English writer. Class, this poem is about dental treatment. Means the poet is in a dental hospital and he is sitting on the dentist seat and he is feeling some pain. So this is poem about this. One thing I like less than most things is sitting in a dentist chair with my mouth wide open. Means the poet is sitting in the dentist chair and his mouth was wide open. And she liked this thing very less. Means and that I will never have to do it again is a hope. That I am against hoping. Means poet dislikes such type of thing. Means he don't like to go to visit dentist, but he have to go to visit a dentist and now he is in a dentist chair and he is feeling very bad and he is in hope that he will never have to do it again in his life. Because some torture are physical and some are mental. Means there are 2 type of torture. Some are mental and some are physical. But the one that is both is dental. But he is considering the dental treatment is torture both physical and mental. It is hard to be self-proposed with your jaw digging into your chest. Means he is feeling very pain. He is not liking in sitting in the dentist chair and his mouth is wide open and his jaw digging into your chest. Means his mouth is open and he is sitting on the dentist chair and the dentist is going to check his teeth and this is very painful for the poet. So this is why he is wishing that it will never happen again that he will go to any dentist hospital or visit any dentist or sit on any dentist chair. These are 2 paragraphs of the poem. First paragraph, from one thing I like less than most thing is sitting in a dentist chair with my mouth open and that I will never have to do it again is a hope that I am against hoping. Because some torture are physical and some are mental. But the poem that is both is dental. It is hard to self-process with your jaw digging into your chest. Means the poet totally disliked to visit any dentist, but he have to visit a dentist for some dental problem and now he is sitting on the dentist chair, but he don't like this. He wish that it will never happen that he will go to visit any dentist, and this is like a torture for the poet, both physical and mental torture. Means he is comparing visiting a dentist is like a torture. So class, this is very interesting poem. There are so many metaphors, so many puns are here in this poem, so I will explain it again tomorrow. So you have to write 4 paragraphs of the poem in your copy.